In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ConvertBox with Paperform. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and ensure that the data you collect from your forms is seamlessly integrated into your marketing efforts. Let's dive in and get started right away. First, we need to set things up in a platform called Make. Make connects various apps and services together, enabling smooth automation of tasks. Within Make, our journey begins by setting up the trigger. We're going to use Paperform's trigger for watch submissions. This means that every time a form is submitted through Paperform, our automation sequence will kick off. It's an efficient way to ensure that no data gets overlooked or misplaced. Once the trigger is in place, the next step is to introduce the ConvertBox module. ConvertBox is a great tool for managing contacts and improving customer interaction strategies. Here, you'll select the desired action you want ConvertBox to perform. For our purposes, we're choosing to add or update a contact. This ensures that either new contacts are added or existing ones are updated with new information. Connecting your accounts is a crucial step. You'll need to link both your Paperform and ConvertBox accounts within the Make platform. This connection allows the data to flow seamlessly between the two services. Once connected, it's important to map the fields between Paperform and ConvertBox. Field mapping ensures that specific pieces of information, such as names, email addresses, and phone numbers, are transferred correctly from one service to the other. This step is essential for maintaining the accuracy and integrity of your data. After everything is set up, it's time to test your setup. Running the scenario in Make will show you if everything works as intended. Testing is highly recommended as it gives you the chance to spot any issues or misconfigurations that could affect your workflow. Once you've confirmed that everything is operating smoothly through your test, it's time to turn on the scenario. This will make your automation live, ensuring that every form submission is acknowledged and acted upon according to the setup you've just completed. By linking ConvertBox with Paperform through Make, you've essentially automated a part of your marketing workflow, saving time and reducing the chance of human error. This integration allows for a seamless transfer of information critical for maintaining effective communication with your audience and potential clients. So there you have it. By following these steps, you will have a robust integration between ConvertBox and Paperform, helping you to keep your contact lists up to date and your business running smoothly. Thank you for watching and happy automating.